Hello friends, welcome to the channel once again. So today what I told was there will be a channel support, so it has taken one kind of channel support over here. And since I told you that after a gap down we moved up, that's fine. But what was my view is that if we are moving out of this zone, out of this 13 days moving average high, then we should take some long position. So tomorrow now what we can do, we could take some long position. So tomorrow if the Nifty retrace back, okay, so Nifty if retrace back something like this till 10 or 9:30, then after that it can go up over here in this zone. So this zone can be one of the shorting zone, but what I will prefer is that if you are going for the short, please make sure that from this zone something we are retracing back, okay. Uh, right, we are retracing back. If we are retracing back from this zone, then what you can do, you can keep some stop loss over here 14,526 around. This can be the stop loss. Or if it is moving up, then don't take any steps. If it is coming over here and it is retracing back, then we could take short position from here. And this zone could be the probably will lead us to good shorting. Actually up to we can see some around, actually this one. I could tell, let me tell how much we can see. So if we put a Fibonacci retracement, so tomorrow the target can be around, okay, around this one, 14,336. If it is coming down, it can be 14,336. so this could be the one of the target, because what I see is that this can come over here, then it can go up in the morning, and then it can retrace back, because this is the resistance zone. So today we have a lot of buying mode in bullish bias, so we could move up over here and we could move retrace back. Why I am telling all this? Because since 13,900 the target is still pending, I am still bearish in the market. That's the criteria, nothing it. So if you see, okay, so we are not yet done. So sometime I think it will take to come over here to 13,900 zone area. So this has been not done. If you see, the India VIX also has been raised to some around 23%. 23% has been rise today. The VIX is made 23%. If you could go and see, 1 minute. So see, 23% it has increases, okay, it increased to 23%. So today only 4% move, Nifty moves. So this one, so why the India VIX is moving so much high? So there could be some distribution going on, okay, and this could be the one of the price zone. So if it is fails 15,526, then it can go over here 14,694, and this could be Nifty can move up to here. So this could be the one of the, if this stop loss is hit, then we could move up to 14,696 or somewhere, and this in the trend line could be the one of the major this one retrace back. So this view will be valid from today onwards. So it is not like that in one day from here it will get retraced back. And so let's see what is going to happen. It will not drop like this, so it will be in a zigzag moment, and it will come down, okay. And why I am telling this one, if now if it is a C move, actually if it is a move, a downside move, and if you see, let me show you 15-minute chart or 5-minute chart, I will tell you. So if you see now, so what I 168. So Nifty can move back to 14,560, from where it can see some this one here. So this could be, and this is A, and this will be A, and this will be B, and this will be C. So what could be the possibility is that one of the possibility is that this could be A, this could be B, and this could be C, and from here we can see the drop. So drop is there, but we have to see what I am telling is that, so this zone, so what I am telling is that tomorrow we can see the movement from here to here. Sorry, so this will be 2.168%. so this could be the zone actually. Okay, so this could be the zone from where we can see the drop actually. So tomorrow if Nifty is moving little bit down, and then we will see a if we see a rocket move towards up movement 14,515 to 14,553, from where the high level, from where the selling can come. So mark this guys, so from here the selling can come. So this is a zone 14,515 to 14,553, from where the selling can come. So this is the zone. So tomorrow if Nifty is tomorrow if Nifty opens up and come down like this, okay, and it will take some support over here, it will take some support over here, it will take some support over here, and it can go back, and the minimum target will be 14,335, and if it is breaking 14,335, then we can see towards this low 14,160 again. So this is my view till then, and if this stop loss is going to hit 14,553, then we can move towards 14,696. So this will be the flat correction. Now what I am telling is that some zigzag correction can be made over here, right? So this is what my view is. So this third move is yet completed or not, we can check now. So let me see. So this third move, at least it should come to this one 14,451. if it is tomorrow, if it opens up and from here it can drop, then it can retrace back. So we need to observe this. So if you see, this can be the 23% of the retracement. Okay, so 14,380 tomorrow, 14,380 to 14,349. The fall could be there. And from there we can retrace back to this zone 14,526 to 553, and then we can see a drop. Okay, so tomorrow my view is bullish bias till 12:30 to 1. I see some bullishness is there as per my time analysis. So today's time analysis fails because what I was thinking is that today after a gap down, we will be selling pressure will be there, whether it falls or not. But this was movement was very violent move, and it went to till end, it went towards up move has been done. But tomorrow as per my view, say sometimes the time analysis may fails, because now I am experimenting the time analysis. So sometimes it may fails, but what I will tell that you stick to the 13 days moving average high, and whatever the correction I am telling, you stick to that. You will get the very good results. As we are getting all the results as good. I don't see any results of mine is fail as of now. So we are getting very good results. So whatever I have told you, from that zone only we fall, and from there only we rise, and all those things is happening good. So this also will tomorrow, what will happen that tomorrow we can see some rise, and after that market can drop, Nifty can drop to 14,380 somewhat level over here, and then we can rise again, and after 1 or 130 we can see some fall from this zone. So we can see tomorrow a very good move in both sides. So that's it guys, for tomorrow, and this is the post analysis of the Nifty. I will get back to you by in the evening for the post analysis of Friday and the view for tomorrow. Bye. Happy tradings.